Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going over 10 solds that happen on Poshmark and eBay. And all of these are going to be clothing items. And I think I paid $2 per each item. These are all thrifted from the Goodwill bins. And let's get started. First sales we're going to do are going to be on Poshmark. First one was this Free People, really cute little lacy top. I'm really kind of working on these keywords, as I'm telling you guys: romantic, fairy core, baby doll, even whimsy goth could have been good in there. This sold for $18. Next, oh, this was a really fun find. This was a vintage shooter shirt. It was like a pearl snap cowboy type of western shirt. It sold for $53. It had really cool little detail on it and pearl snaps and just really cool vintage look to it. And sold for full price, $53. Next was this Levi's shirt. I don't even know how long this thing's been listed. I would not buy this now. It did sell for $17. It was listed for probably 2 years and randomly sold, so that was a nice little sale. Next were these Mugsy jeans, which sold overnight. It's weird when you have something that's took 2 years to sell and then something that sells like overnight. These were like a stretch jean, and this Mugsy brand, I don't find it very often. I found it a couple times, but it has its following, and their jeans just sell very quickly. So they're always a nice find. They usually sell in the $30 to $40 range. Next was this cute little eBay sale. This was a cute little cashmere, 100% cashmere pink sweater, really soft, and it sold for $23.98. Next was a pair of vintage Harley Davidson jeans. These sat around for like a year. I think the size is weird, 39, 31. Like, it was a really weird size, bad photos. Like, I'm not surprised this sat for so long, and these sold for $15. But I'm glad to see them go. Next is this sold within a couple days. This was a vintage Gap, kind of a 90s piece, which is why I think it got more. It was $28 and it sold for $28, and it sold quick. So, and I think it's just because it was true 90s Gap, and it was a waffle knit Henley. This was a really nice sale. This sold overnight. This was Erin Crafts merino wool. It was like a hood and a scarf, and it sold for an offer of $62.10. So, you know, it just sold so quick. I was like sad to see it go. I almost wanted to keep it, but we're going out of winter, so I didn't mind. Then these men's silver jeans, they're the Zach jean. Men's silver jeans used to sell for me mega quick, like overnight. This one still sold with like in a week or two, but these always sell, and this one sold for $25.20. So nice little sale, and those jeans are popular. This was a new brand to me, ASRB Sportswear. And it's a higher end sportswear, streetwear type of brand, and it sold for $53. I found two of these. They were together, so I think it was the same person. One has a hood. This one sold right away. I still have the hooded one, but it was a really nice sale. And those were my 10 quick sales of 10 items that sold this week, and thank you for watching. I do a lot of what sold, how to list videos, kind of working on eBay stuff, and Poshmark, Depop, all the sites really. So give my channel a follow if you like that type of content, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.